Yo, Cross. This is the brown buckle. Anything.
Anyway. Ganja man. Ganja plantation. We wanna know what's the road, man. Weed on the brown bottle. Smoking weed and sipping anything. Know what's the road, man. It's in the brown bottle. Youngsters sipping anything. Smoking cheese. After that, it's a hot girl me go tease. Fucking make you live at ease. Squeeze up the girl titties. Then beg me please to crush her road when me touch her road. Buckle Hennessy and ganja cut your load. Police a come then smell it now me clothes. Me not stop smoking. Smoking brown. Oh that's the road mother. So the brown mother. Smoke weed and sip Hennessy. Oh that's the road mother. So the brown mother. Sing again, let them know what's the brown mother. So the brown mother. Weed tea sipping Hennessy. Oh that's the road mother. So the brown mother. Yeah, you're my best. Make the ganja team modify. Me want a pack of whistler flavor grand bag on my body. And that alone can make me satisfied. Make me stay on the ground and smoke and dust it sky. Aye, Julian, book this for me. Book a bag of ganja from Chopper or Kiki. Make a type go for Archie. Ganja man a smoke on the road mother. They wanna know what's the road mother. It's in the brown mother. Chase Cross sipping Hennessy. Know what's the road mother. It's in the brown mother. Killer, buy a buckle for me. Know that's the road mother. It's in the brown mother. Every gully side, every gully. Know that's the road mother. We got the brown mother. Can't stop for life. Anyway, I see it from that time that smoking. Not right at this psychological moment. I just get a man that can't block your mouth. You wanna know what's from man? Mad. New York. 50s, 40s, 90s. New York. Queens. Bronx, Brooklyn. Gala, New Jersey. Miami. Smoking, Cheyenne. New ones. But